We are finally getting rid of these ugly things. Typical 99 to 03 replacements. Typical clear, got a little orange reflector in there. Go. Never even knew. Nice. These things look absolutely killer. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are finally getting rid of these ugly things. So we'll do the unboxing here in just a second, but this is something you guys have been asking for, was the headlights. Before one of you comment, I've been saying it in videos, they're getting replaced. I've been saying it in all the videos, they're getting replaced, and everyone's like, change the mirrors, change the mirrors. They're getting changed. It takes time and it takes money and it takes people like Mile High Duramax that you guys should go follow. So click, well, don't click, but go to Instagram and follow Mile High Duramax and or give him a follow, because he's the one that sponsored the mirrors. You guys do that, and while you're following him, I'm gonna get everything ready for the unboxing. All right, so these are from Odero, I believe is how you pronounce it, but they're just typical 99 to 03 replacements, and I do plan on doing the 6.0 headlights, but I need the grill and bumper and everything. But just typical clear, got a little orange reflector in there, but nothing fancy. I am going to do the 6.0 headlights because I know there's going to be someone that comments it. I'm going to do the 6.0 headlights. I'm going to do the grill. I'm going to do the full bumper conversion. But I want to do it all at once. I don't want to just do the headlights and cut the header panel and everything if I don't have to. Just wait. These will work good for the time being. Go down in the description, click the top link in the description. Go check out the store. They make headlights for hundreds of thousands of different makes and models. Go check them out, top link in the description. Now let's get these put in. To take out the old headlights, you've got these little clips right down here that you guys can see. There's one there, and then down past this clip, you're gonna have to reach along in the back side, or you can pull this little screw right here at the top and pull that out, and you can slide this out. And then there's two screws right down in here that pull these headlights out. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pop these clips out, get that screw taken out, slide this top one out, and then pull these two screws out. Whole thing comes out in one, and we're gonna get to it. Go. I got it out. I don't know where the people. Oh, did not get it out. I broke it. Dude, what the fuck? How the hell did you get that out? Because I done broke the piss out of mine.
Try like prying it out before you pull it out.
Oh, I already broke the shit out of one on the outside. I broke the headlight, I broke the flip, I broke all of it. Ran a bit of it left.
Come on, you stubborn bastard.
Get a good grip on it. Some of the teeth right below it, and then just. What size is that? A 5/16
millimeter. Because he said getting into these clips is a pain in the ass, which it is. How did yours just come out? Dude, what the? This shit is making me mad. Why the fuck Ford designed headlights like this? I don't want to break anything and not be able to get the headlights back in. Alright, well I have probably a 20-minute clip of us just doing nothing but cussing and yelling at it. Yeah, I missed the cat eye. The cat eye made it so much easier. Alright guys, so this was not as easy as the video I watched on YouTube made it. These little clips right here are a major pain to get off. I partially broke this one. I broke the top of it off, but it'll still work. And then you have the two screws right there. But this little adjuster thing, there's a prong on the other side of it. You look down, the little black thing at the end of my flashlight right there is the prong. You're supposed to squeeze it in, but the way Ford has it designed, you can barely get to the outside of it. So it is almost impossible to get it out. You unscrew it like Brandon was just doing, and it comes out like that. So then this piece will come out, and your new headlight will have, you just take the adjuster off. I already did it on this one back here to show you guys. This headlight right here, this adjuster was all the way down on it like so, and righty-tighty is how you get this off. So you turn righty-tighty. You would guess lefty-loosey, but no, you're doing righty-tighty, and it'll push this all the way off. And this is the little clip that I'm talking about on the backside. These two little prongs right here. The factory ones from Ford, I'm guessing these would be, no, even these are pretty hard, but they're like almost impossible to get off. So the video I watched, the guy said to unscrew it and just leave it in there. So that's what I did. And then our little prong clip things will go back on these. And this is the easy one, is this just pops right on in there. And I don't know if you guys see all the water on the ground, but this guy right here was literally completely full of water, and I never even knew. Nice. When I pulled it out, it just dumped water everywhere, and this socket right here was completely full of water. This is the bulb that came out of it. There we go. You guys see the bulb. This thing is disgusting. Completely full of water, corroded, everything. But now we just reinstall these. Guys, it takes a lot of patience to get these off. I really miss my cat eye. My cat eye was a little pin, pulled right out. The bottom ones just snapped right in. These, all sorts of complicated, but now is the reinstall process. We're gonna go ahead and get these back in, get it all snapped in. Eventually I'll order some LEDs and everything for all of this, but for the time being, we're just gonna throw it back in and use what we have. Alright guys, here's the headlights. We kind of had to leave. We were running late to go watch Brandon's little brother play football, but headlights look sick. While I had them out, since these are a pain to get to, I went ahead and replaced these with an LED. I don't have an LED for these yet, but I am going to be doing switchbacks. But just take a quick look at these. They look so good. So happy with the way they turned out. I am going to show you guys them in the daylight tomorrow. But if you guys notice moisture in this, it's actually not from the headlight, it's from this socket. As crazy as that sounds, the other headlight is so full of water that the plug itself has water in it, and it's actually coming off of it into this headlight. So the headlights haven't even been outside yet. There's no reason for them to have moisture, but I'll turn the headlights on for you guys. This bulb somehow went missing. I think it ended up in the old headlights, which are already in the trash. Not going to be able to do that for you guys, but I'll show you it out of the other headlight. I mean, that's just one headlight. Look how much brighter that is. Looks so good. Yeah, I'm a fan of them. But I am going to get some B-roll for you guys tomorrow in the daylight, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of what they look like in the daylight tomorrow. But it's dark in here. I'm ready to go eat some dinner, so I will catch you guys tomorrow. Alright everybody, so it is a couple days later since actually installing these. I had to get my other bulb out of the trash can, and by the time we got that and did everything else we did in the weekend, I wasn't able to actually film these for you guys. I got some B-roll and everything, but I wasn't actually able to, you know, talk about them. And well, we are obviously back at my house, and I've had these now Had them in the truck since Friday. Today's now Tuesday, and these things look absolutely killer. So I will have a video of us putting LED bulbs inside there, and I'm going to probably get some switchbacks for here. This is white LED. If I can find a T10 switchback, I'll do that too. Have two switchbacks where they both turn yellow. But I don't think this flashes, so I don't know. We'll see. You guys will see it in the videos if you guys are true subscribers. And this one being fogged up, I told you guys, it is from this harness right here, this plug, having moisture inside it. The other headlight was literally filled up to like right here with water. When I unplugged this, water just poured out. So I have to replace this bulb. One of the filament things inside it is burnt out, so it doesn't flash, it just turns on. But just take a look at how much better this thing looks. And I have something inside to fix these, so this thing is going to look so much better. We got rid of the headlights, we're getting rid of the mirrors. Next, I'm gonna get rid of this janky thing. Hopefully soon I can get an oven, get a powder coat done, and we can start doing some small things for powder coating. Guys, I'm ready to do new stuff. We're gonna be doing color matching on this, and I want to start doing powder coating. Start with some like tow hook, do simple things like maybe powder coat the housing of those pods, powder coat, maybe we can get some like special type of billet aluminum door handles, anything. I want to try new stuff, guys. So if you like this video, go down and drop a like on this video. If you guys would like to see anything specific on this truck, drop it down in the comments and let me know. If you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed, please go down and either click the subscribe button or click on my channel, watch a couple other videos. It might persuade you into subscribing. And guys, if you have been watching my videos and you're not subscribed, just hit the button. It takes a couple seconds. I mean, even if you have to create a Google account to subscribe, it takes less than 5 minutes, and it truly, truly helps me. These videos do not cost you guys a single thing, but they do cost me a lot. Not only did I have to buy a truck to make videos on, but I also have to get products to make videos on. I have to have camera equipment, computer, editing software, software for music, everything. Guys, just hit the subscribe button. It's that simple. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.